If you suspect that your Shopify account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page at www.shopify.com and enter your email address and password. If you cannot log in, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Shopify account and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Check your email for security alerts. Look for any emails from Shopify regarding suspicious activity. If you find any alerts, follow the instructions provided in those emails to secure your account. Step 4. Enable two-step authentication. Once you regain access, navigate to your account settings and enable two-step authentication for added security. This will require a second form of verification each time you log in. Step 5. Review account activity. After securing your account, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized changes or transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, contact Shopify support immediately for assistance. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Shopify account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly.